bourbon. 46. Leaking? Nope, nothing leaking. It's kind of early to be awake on vacation. But I'm going to the auction today. Auction. I need 2 hands to start this. This is a cold start. Well, it's an early start. How about that? Let me set you down for just a minute. Easy. Give that a minute to warm up. It's a little chilly this morning. I've got a that's a good little scooter right there. I like it. So as I was saying earlier, we're heading over to the auction, the cattle auction. I don't know that I've talked too much about this, but in the lower meadow down here, we've got about 35-40 acres. I've got a couple dozen cattle down there, a couple dozen head of cow, and I'm heading to the auction this morning with one of my neighbors. He's going to sell off half a dozen cows. I'm hoping to sell about 8 or 9 cows. I've got a tuition coming up here real quick, and we're going to see if we can earn some tuition money. So let me run over to my neighbor's house. I'll show you which truck I'm driving over in. Sorry guys, you missed the cold start. The neighbor that I'm driving this truck for had already fired it up. It was already warming up, sitting in his driveway. Old Cummins. Look at the engine temperature is already at 165 degrees. Exhaust is at 329, 331. Heck yeah. That's a nice ride. Cummins turbo diesel. Wayne, where are you, buddy? Come to the auction with me. Alright, well, I gotta drive with 2 hands. I got a livestock trailer goosenecked on the back of this thing, so I gotta kind of pay attention to what I'm doing. I'm gonna set the camera down. Maybe we gotta run over. I gotta run over and load these trailers with another guy, my buddy Jesse. So I gotta get 2 hands on the wheel here so I don't fall off the road, because that would suck. That would suck. So I'll be right back. This is a nice truck. I mean, this is a nice truck. We're a little heavy right now. I'm gonna pop her in 4-wheel drive to get up this gravel incline. I'm heading over to my friend Jesse's place. We're gonna throw another 8 or so head into the back of his livestock trailer, and then we're outie. So what I'm gonna do, clicking it into 4 high so I don't tear his driveway up. Let's see how we do here. It's not that steep, but I've got 8 head of cattle back here, so we're kind of heavy. Let's see how she does. Oh, piece of cake. See if you can hear this diesel whine up. Boost alert. What a beautiful truck. Well, that exhaust temperature really fired up, didn't it? Whew. Alright, apparently I'm a little bit early. So we're just going to chill here for a minute. Let this engine run, cool things down. Engine temps at 190, exhaust EGTs are dropping 423. I'm sure you can see that. I'm shooting with the Contour Rome. There he is. Look at this little thing. Check it. I figure this thing's pretty durable. It should be able to handle a livestock auction. So we'll see how she does. Cummins.
Over here this morning.
Good morning. It's nice to be seen.
Nice to be seen. Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Well trained.
Morning.
All right, sir. Out of there,
Well, that brown one is something else.
She's a little wild child.
She's a little wild child. Still this morning, she was just not having any part of it.
Anybody? Yeah. Yeah, we need to cut her and that little bull out.
And another turbo diesel. We'll get this trailer loaded up. I think we have 8 to put in here. Give him a hand backing up. And looks like you've done that once or twice.
Once or twice, maybe. So these are those black. You got your other ones in there. Yeah. Here, I'll take them over here. They go on my center.
Yes, want me to open the trailer?
Open the trailer, please.
Yep.
These guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to go in there.
Open the gate.
Keep, okay. Oh, look at, she's going right in back.
She's wanting to go in the trailer.
Stay over there. You stay right there. She's good. Ah. Ah, stay there. You want me to? Yeah, grab it.
Slow and come on. Hit. Come on. Hit. Buddy, get back now. Buddy, get out of here. Come on. Hit. Come on. Hit. Beautiful. Locker room is there. That's it. You got 3.
No, I didn't bring my hat cam clip. Come on, babies. There you go. Sorry, guys. Gate's locked, latch is down. Got that big brown feisty cow and the bull. Little yellow tag bull. Got them in there. We got these guys in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hi guys. What you doing? How you doing?